What's up YouTube? It's Ryan from Ryan Scalps. In this video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite setups happened on Tesla today. But not only did it happen on Tesla, it happened on the SPY as well. It led to some huge profits scalping options. So we're going to go over that trade today. Going to go over what I was looking for, how I took it, and what I was able to pull out of that trade. But first, before we start, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. It helps push these videos to other people that maybe they can start making some money in the stock market. So what you're seeing on my chart right now is the 2-minute chart for Tesla and the 2-minute chart for SPY. And I want to show you the confluence in the move and why I decided to double my size today when I took this. If you haven't been watching the market lately, the market's been on an absolute bullish tear. We almost closed out of a bear market yesterday. Over 418 on the SPY. Closing over 418 would mean that the bear market for the year is over, and 313 on the triple Q would mean that the bear market is over. And I believe the triple Q closed 0.30% away yesterday. Over a 1% gap down on the SPY. So my bias going into the market open is bearish. But look what happens. Very extended away from PDC on the SPY, not so much on Tesla. Tesla was actually having relative strength to the market gap down. Another thing that made me kind of pivot long at the open. But the setup is called a nested wedge. All right. And what a nested wedge is you get this down channel. Right? You get this down channel. You can see it right here. You get this nice down channel. And what will happen is the down channel will start to put in a trading range wedge right here, or to pull it up, got this downtrend channel. But in the bigger scale of things, you get a nested wedge. And not only was a nested wedge showing on Tesla, but it was also showing on the market. So if we hop down to the market chart right now, you get this nice downtrend, and then you get the nested wedge. So I know at the open, there's going to be some profit taking, probably back to prior day close, right? Because on a 1% gap down, I know that people that swung short the night before are going to be taking profit. When shorts take profit, it creates buying pressure. There's also going to be people trading the ORBs. I know that if we break this nested wedge, it's a good entry because it's a trade setup. And I could possibly be in before the orbs happen, right? So I could have an insane sniper entry and ride this momentum up. And that's exactly what I did. I took the 185 calls on Tesla and I caught a majority of the move. If you look here, I was able to capture 100% ROI right off the open. In less than 15 minutes, 100% return on investment. Now, I don't put my whole account into a trade, but if I put my whole account into this trade, I would have made 100% return today. If you look, I bought the contracts for an average of $2.80 a contract. That's 280 bucks. And I was very sized up. So I was taking partials all the way up, but eventually got the full 100% move and got back in on the 5-minute momentum that I saw on the tape and was able to sell for another $300 a contract. I mean, I had an amazing day. It's only the 3rd of February and, I could quit trading for the month off of what I made today. Very important to be taking your setups, to be pivoting your bias based off of price action. I was bearish going into today, right? We were gapping down 1.2%. I wanted the SPY to retest 408 before I started to look long again. However, it didn't happen. And being able to pivot your bias based off price action is extremely important. Huge trade on Tesla today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the quick video recapping. Got a lot of good stuff coming. So if you're new to the channel, like I said, like button, subscribe, turn the bell notification on so you can stay tuned for future videos. I post my trades on Twitter. You can find it on the homepage here. I will see you guys on the next one.